Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore how to navigate and use our Datatronic 5 screen. The Datatronic 5 is the main control screen for the functions of our Massey Ferguson tractors. It is touchscreen, simple, and intuitive. Here is the main screen. It displays essential information and provides quick access to various settings pages. For example, you will find a status bar and setting shortcut for hydraulic valves and their associated actuators, a status bar and setting shortcut for the customizable F1, F2, and F3 buttons, the position of front and rear linkages, as well as their respective menu shortcut, the speed of the front and rear PTO, the status of guidance engagement and signal quality shortcut, as well as the activation of field coloring and recording of the worked area. By clicking down the plus on the left, you can add widgets that provide additional information, such as slippage and engine load, as well as shortcuts to associated menus. The carousel function allows you to select up to 5 pages that you can quickly display by swiping the screen to the right or left. Click on the page you want to add, and it will automatically be added to the first available slot. A long press and swipe up on a page already in the carousel will allow you to remove it. At the top right of the screen is the main menu. By clicking on it, you access an interface that centralizes quick access to all settings. Each setting is accessible in a maximum of 3 clicks. On the left, the first tile allows access to implement settings and implement counters. By clicking on it, you arrive at a tab where you can specify your implement parameters and settings related to the counters. The second tab allows you to view the work activity counters, triggered via the icon in the top bar, and total counters which are independent. Let's return to the menu using the menu icon or the arrow on the Datatronic 5. Now, let's look at the tile with the gear icon at the bottom left. It offers up to 4 accesses: the calculator, the notepad, the ability to transfer precision farming functions to the Field Star 5 if your tractor is equipped with it, and the primary screen settings. These include units of measurement, date, time, sound, and brightness. The second tab presents the unlocked or locked precision farming functions on your tractor. The third tab allows you to view the software versions of your screen. All other tiles are dedicated to the settings of various functions of your tractor. We detail each of these tiles in dedicated videos. Your Datatronic 5 also allows you to split the display into 2 to show 2 simplified function screens in parallel. Simply click on the button with the 4 small squares on the right side of the screen. The screen splits into 2, and you can then select the 2 functions you want to display on each half screen. You now have the essential information to use your Datatronic 5. It's your turn to try.